Hello and thank you so much for visiting my page. If you are here today and you land on this page, you probably want to start a business. Gusto mong magkaroon ng side hustle, sarili mong negosyo, online business, work from home. Pero it's either also natatakot ka na baka malugi, wala kang background sa negosyo, hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula, or maliit lang yung puhunan mo, or all of the above. Tama? I will go straight to the point dahil alam ko na busy ka din at hindi mo afford na manood ng isang oras na webinar or sales presentation. So I am going to make a shortcut within 10 minutes para ma-deliver ko sa'yo lahat ng mga information na kakailanganin mo. So by the way, my name is CJ Cajoles and I have been doing online selling since 2017. I have been a freelancer for 12 years now and I have coached 5,000 students doing the same business na ipapakita ko sa'yo ngayong araw na to. So essentially, ang ituturo ko sa'yo ay we are going to be selling physical products in the Philippines and all over the world. Perfect ito kung ikaw ay isang empleyado or ikaw ay isang OFW or actually kahit na saan ka situated sa buong mundo, not only in the Philippines, you can definitely do this kind of business. Meron tayong tinatawag na e-commerce at sa loob ng e-commerce napakalawak niyan. So merong dropshipping, meron ding on-hand na physical products. Ang dropshipping concept po, ang ibig sabihin nito ay hindi mo hawak yung inventory, ibig sabihin hindi mo hawak yung mga products, pero may mga supplier ka na sila yung nagfo-fulfill at sila yung nag-ship ng products para sa'yo. Ang trabaho mo lang ay promotion at marketing. Meron din naman na on-hand, ibig sabihin hawak mo rin yung maliit na inventory, hindi kailangang 100 pieces, pwedeng 10 pieces lang muna, and then you try the business model. So, promotion lang ulit at marketing ang gagawin mo, and then pwedeng ikaw yung mag-fulfill ng mga orders kung malapit lang sila sa'yo using the courier natin sa Pilipinas. At honestly, marami na rin talaga ang kumita ng 6 to 7 figures in this kind of business sa Pilipinas. Marami na ring mga OFW ang nakauwi na dahil sa ganitong klase ng negosyo. Ngayon kung tatanungin mo ako kung ano yung mga products na pwede nating ibenta at saan tayo makakahanap ng mga suppliers, pwedeng-pwede kitang tulungan dyan kasi I can recommend to you mga suppliers at ano yung mga products na pwede mong ibenta na hindi mo na kailangang mag-product research, na hindi mo na kailangang mag-trial and error kasi pwedeng yung product ay malugi dahil walang bumibili, dahil mali yung pagkaka-research mo dun sa product, or pwede namang yung product ay sobrang maganda at marami yung bumibili, na-unlock mo siya. However, kung maliit lang yung puhunan mo, halimbawa less than 20,000 lang yung puhunan mo, there is a pretty high chance na masunog mo yung puhunan mo dahil sa trial and error. Now, in this training, I will be recommending some of the products for you na sarili kong products na ginagamit at minumove ko din para ikaw hindi mo na kailangan mag-product research at maubos yung oras mo ng kaka-research. I will be giving you examples and products and suppliers na pwede mong simulan. So in a nutshell, ganito yung business model na gusto kong i-discuss sa'yo. If you are still interested after watching this video, I want you to click on the book a consultation or strategy call with me, and let's sit down for maybe 30 minutes to an hour maximum. And if you are interested with that, then we can discuss the next steps for your business. I will see you.